core is burning. It's hot. It's a hot core. I have a hot core. I have hot arms. Y'all, I'm telling you, it was not comfortable. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Workout Wednesday. I am so excited to show you guys the core workout that I did yesterday. This workout is very beginner friendly. There's no weights involved. It's all using your own body weight. So you can do this anywhere. You can do this, in your house. I actually walked to a park that isn't too far away from my house and did it there. But you can do this anywhere, anytime. It is difficult. I'm not gonna lie, it's difficult, but you can do this. Okay, you can do this. I believe in you. You can do it. If you like this video, if you like these workout videos, if you want more workout videos, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so that you're always notified when I upload a new video, because it's Vlogtober and there's videos every day. Well, more videos every day, because I already up videos every day. So let's go ahead and jump into this hot core workout. Arms, abs, back. We're doing it all today, the whole shebang. Okay guys, please excuse my armpits. I have not shaved in a while. I'm getting ready for November. But anyway, we are going to start off this core workout with some toe touch ab crunches. Now we're going to be doing 20 of these. Just 20, not 2 sets of 20, just straight 20. Each side counts as 1. So don't do what I did and technically do 40. So you want to make sure that you keep your legs and your arms straight while you're doing this and keep your core activated. You want to make sure that we're working all those muscles, so you don't want to go limp. So now we are going to move into negative push-ups. These were so hard for me because I have the upper body strength of a turtle. But what you want to do is go down like a regular push-up, and then you're going to lower your knees, keeping your hips off the floor. You're going to push up, still on your knees, and then bring your knees up. These were very, very difficult for me. As you can see, I took some little baby rests. But keep going if, you feel yourself losing your form, as I did a few times. Go ahead and take a short break, whatever you need to do, but make sure you finish, okay? Because you can finish. And this is me taking a break because my arms were literally on fire and I thought that I was going to die. And we're back at it. All right, so now we are going to move into a tricep. I learned that word from Whitney Simmons. She's amazing. Go check her out if you don't know who she is. So basically, we're going to be doing 3 exercises in a row with no rests in between. Yeah. So what we're doing here are plank knee to elbows. So what you want to do is be in a plank position. Make sure that you have your bottom tucked and that you don't have a dip in your back. And what I want you to do is just twist to the side, hit that knee to the elbow, and bring it back. Twist to the side, knee to elbow. Try to keep yourself stable and not move your upper body. As you can see, I am a little bit wobbly, but try as much as you can to be stable. Coming out of the plank, we're gonna go straight into supermen. So what I want you to do is lay on your stomach, then lift up your chest, lift up your legs, and move your arms kind of like you're swimming. And touch your hands in back and touch them in front. Okay, now we are moving into a modified side plank crunch. So what you're gonna do is lay on your side, tuck your knees, and then lift your body up, crunch over to the side, and then bring your body back down. This is really gonna work those obliques, but it's still a modified version because we're all beginners here. Throughout this exercise, you really want to make sure that you keep your core activated. We don't want flipping over, we are going to do the same thing on the other side. And I will have the entire workout, including all the reps and sets, in the description box. But we're going to do 3 sets of these 4 exercises. So make sure you check the description box because I will have all the information for this workout down there for you. Okay, you guys, that is actually it for this core workout. I am still at work, unfortunately, but I am going to be editing and uploading 2 videos for Vlogtober, one for yesterday and one for today, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. If you're not following me on Instagram and Twitter at Beauty by Lapis, then you might want to get on that because I'm up to 277 now. There are 277 people in the world who want to look at this face all day. It's kind of amazing, really. Also, if you're interested in becoming one of my patrons, then click the link down below and you can see what kind of perks you'll be getting if you do. I love you guys so much. Truly, I truly mean that. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a few hours for a Vlogtober video. Bye guys. Also, don't forget to check out the stuff that's floating around my face, because that's some good stuff, especially here. You should subscribe if you aren't already.